Good morning, everybody. I am Oksana Kozhemyakina-Mazhulis from Russia, Moscow. I am ambassador from Russia about love, peace and beauty of the world. And I'm talk about elements of our planet, of our universe. It's a fire, it's water, it's a sky, and it's all about love. For example, matrix of love, it's a matrix of love. It means that when we go deep inside of love, the realities change and we really come inside of the matrix. And we burn, we pain, we scare, but we go anyway there because life is not possible without love. From the child I was painting and singing all the time. And I studied a lot, and high school of art in Moscow and private lessons, and I still continue to study this because I think this kind of way without start, without ending. And this is interesting for me because I'm so perfectionist and I always improving and I have many ideas. It's so beautiful exhibition, Florence Biennale exhibition this year is such inspire me a lot. I have so many ideas and it's such beautiful artists around me. It's full of colors, full of positivity, full of love. My experience is I found many beautiful artists here and beautiful paintings, and it's inspired me a lot. And I met many friends and we organized group on Facebook, so you're welcome to see what we did. And yesterday we were singing all together about peace, about love, about life is beautiful. Life is beautiful and let's enjoy life. It's such important to be in peace, in love and in your way. So, and I'm on my way, I'm an artist and I'm happy to be with this all and very happy to be here.